Plummeting. Plummeting means kami. Example, a week in which stock prices plummeted. Synonyms, declining, descending, dipping. The antonym of plummeting are accumulating, ballooning, building. Disruptions. Disruptions means rakawate. Example, the flat tire resulted in an unfortunate disruption of the schedule for our road trip. Synonym of disruptions are dislocation, disturbance, upsets, while the antonym of disruptions are calm, method, order. Retracted. Retracted means वापस ले लिया. Example, she retracted her earlier two statements about converting to Islam. The synonym of retracted are recanted, revoked, withheld, while the antonym of retracted are acknowledged, admitted, affirmed. Reprehensible. Reprehensible means قابل مذمت. Example, a reprehensible tyrant who oppressed his country for decades has finally been brought to justice. The synonym of reprehensible are bad, guilty, sinful, while the antonym of reprehensible are blameless, faultless, impeccable. Anticipate. Anticipate means tawakko karna. Example, I anticipate that we will be seeing you for New Year's. The synonym of anticipate are await, expect, hope, while the antonym of anticipate are doubt, question. Reprehensible, काबिल मुजम्मत. Disruption, रुकावट. Plummeting, कमी. Retracted, वापस ले लिया. Exempt. Exempt means मुस्तशना करार देना, मुबर्रा करना, छोड़ देना. The English meaning of exempt is free a person or organization from an obligation or liability imposed on others. Synonym of exempt is free from, not liable to, not subject to, exempted, spared, accepted, excused, absolved, while the antonym of exempt are liable to, subject to. Avarice. Avarice means tama lalach, extreme greed for wealth or material gain. The synonym of avarice are greed, acquisitiveness, cupidity, covetousness, avariciousness, rapacity, while the antonym of avarice are generosity. Vigilant. Vigilant means होशियार, खबरदार, चौकन्ना, मोहतात, keeping careful watch for possible danger or difficulties. The synonym of vigilant are watchful, on the lookout, observant, sharp-eyed, keen-eyed, gimlet-eyed, eagle-eyed, while the antonym of vigilant are negligent, inattentive. Imperative. Imperative means nagzir amrana, of vital importance, crucial. The synonym of imperative are vitally important, of vital importance, all important, vital, crucial, critical, essential. The antonym of imperative are unimportant, optional. Stringent. Stringent means बहुत सख्त, शदीद, कड़ा. The synonym of stringent are strict, firm, rigid, rigorous, severe, harsh, tough, tight, exacting, demanding, while the antonym of stringent are lenient, flexible. Dismal. Dismal means उदासी वाला, मायूसकन, गमगीन. The synonym of dismal are dingy, dim, dark, gloomy, somber, dreary, drab, dull, desolate, bleak, while the antonym of dismal are bright, cheerful. Eventual. Eventual means banatija, bil akhir, akhiri, occurring or existing at the end of or as a result of a process or period of time. Eventual synonyms are final, ultimate, concluding, closing, endmost, end, terminal, resulting, ensuing, while the antonym of eventual are beginning, unlikely, past. Negligence means ghaflat, laparwahi, beparwahi, failure to take proper care over something. The synonym of negligence are carelessness, lack of care, dereliction of duty, non-performance of duty, non-fulfillment of duty, while the antonym of negligence are consciousness, attention to duty. Rarity means nayabi, nadarche, the state or quality of being rare. The antonym of rarity are infrequency, rareness, uncommonness, singularity, uniqueness, while the antonym of rarity are normality, standard, regularity. Tendency means rogbat, rujhan, झुकाव. The synonym of tendency are propensity, proclivity, aptness, likelihood, inclination, disposition, predisposition, while the antonym of tendency are dislike, hate, antipathy, disinclination. Guys, this was the end of the lecture. Please must like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.